You've tried every trick in the book, but your child still refuses to eat vegetables? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. Welcome to Healthy World, where we share real and practical tips for a healthier family life, one small change at a time. Today's video is all about understanding why children can be picky eaters and how to guide them toward healthier eating habits, without stress, bribing, or mealtime battles. Children's taste buds are still developing, and many are more sensitive to textures and bitter flavors. Sometimes saying no to food is just their way of learning control. So, what can we do? Start by making food fun. Turn meals into colorful creations. Use cookie cutters, make food art, and create happy associations with healthy food. Before we go further, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Healthy World, and share it with other parents who want happier meal times. Another great tip, let your kids help in the kitchen. Washing veggies, mixing, or even planning a meal can boost their curiosity and confidence. Be a role model. When children see you enjoying healthy food, they're more likely to try it too. Eat together, stay positive, and never pressure them. Introduce new foods slowly. Pair them with familiar favorites and encourage small no thank you bites without pushing too hard. And don't forget the snacks. Offer fresh fruit, veggie sticks, yogurt, or whole grain options instead of processed snacks. Praise healthy choices with specific encouragement and use non-food rewards like stickers or extra playtime. Mealtime should never feel like a battlefield. Stay calm, consistent, and patient, and over time, your child's eating habits will change. If you found these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Healthy World for more family-friendly wellness tips. See you next time.